Welcome to the Sessions Type course, in which we'll be creating 5 uniquely different typography-based animations using geometry nodes, shading, modeling, and a bunch of other techniques as we'll progress through this course. You don't need any experience with geometry nodes or Blender in general, as I'll be covering every step along the way. We'll go over things like how to import fonts, create custom shaders based on your geometry nodes networks, build incredibly complex looking animations using very simple techniques, and going over almost every aspect that Blender has to offer. Sessions Type is a deep dive into typography animation in Blender. My name is Kaizen and I will be your teacher, and I hope to see you join the Sessions Type course on CG Cookie.